Do you want to know how to clean a company office? If you are interested in maintaining order in your place of business, then follow these tips for how to clean a company office. Step 1. Organize loose papers. Paperwork that is piled up throughout the office space not only looks messy but also makes it difficult and time-consuming to refer back to important documents when the need arises. Step 2. Disinfect the restrooms. Not only is this necessary for a clean company office, but also for the safety of your employees and customers. Restrooms are a high-traffic area and need to be cleaned every day. Step 3. Protect your electronics by keeping them clean and dust-free. Use a duster to blast dust out of tight spaces like keyboard keys, vents and fans. Wipe electronics with a soft rag moistened with a disinfectant spray. Step 4. Clean the break room. Because food is often prepared and stored in the break room, a clean break room is necessary to your employees' health and safety. Additionally, a clean break room is good for employee morale. Step 5. Empty waste baskets every day. This includes garbage in the break room, office spaces, conference room, public area and restrooms. Step 6. Ensure the public area is presentable. If your customers or clients visit your place of business, then a clean company office is the first impression they will get. Therefore, you need to put a lot of care and attention into presenting a space that is representative of what you want to convey about your business. If you are searching for cleaning company in Melbourne for your office, you can hire Sparkle Office Cleaning, which offer a cleaning service at a reasonable cost. Thanks for watching video.